Hi, Kuya Matt! Happy 18th birthday! I miss you. And I hope and pray nga you will be successful sa imuhang chosen career pohon. And please be a good person, a very good kuya to Chubby, and a very good son to Mama Apple. Just continue your studies and don't forget to pray and ask God to help you whatever you want in your life. I love you and happy 18th birthday. Miss you much.
Hello, good evening. Gusto lang ko mag-wish ko. Happy birthday, Kuya Matt. Hope enjoy mo ang imong teenage life and love your mama and your brother always. And always uh, follow what Mama Apple says. Happy birthday and God bless.
Hi Matt, happy birthday. May God bless and your family.
Hi Kuya Matt, a blessed happy birthday to you. May you have a wonderful and blessed birthday. May God grant the desires of your heart. Once again, happy birthday and may God bless you and your family.
Hi, Kuya Matt. Happy 18th birthday. May you have more birthdays to come. God bless always and enjoy your day. Happy birthday again.
Kuya Matt, happy 18th birthday. Tiguwang na jud ko. Nasya ko na 18 na day ka sa unang ganagandagan naman mo ni Kuya Chubby sa BDH. Enjoy your day and happy ko na naana mo diri sa Canada o ba ni Ate Apps. Unta pun magkita ta. Makabisita ko ninyo diraa or basin makaari pud mo sa Montreal. See you. Hopefully magkita jud ta.
Hi Kuya Matt, happy birthday! I hope you will have a fun celebration with Mama Apple and Kuya Chubby. And I wish you all the best in life, good health, good career in the future, study very hard, and always remember that Auntie is here for you. I love you, I miss you, happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday, Kuya Matt. Enjoy. Kuya Matt.
Happy birthday, Kuya Matt. Nami sa cake.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hi, Kuya Matt. Happy 18th birthday. May you have more birthdays to come. God bless always and enjoy your day. Happy birthday again.
Birthday Kuya Matt!
Balik ka.
Happy birthday Kuya Matt!
Si Kuan.
Hi!
Si Mama Apple di ay.
Hi Apple!
Si Kuya Chubs.
Hi Kuya Chad!
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Kuya Matt!
Love you, Kuya.
Love you! Pagbutan pa ni Kuya ha! Sa man inyo wish ni Kuya Matt.
Have a good birthday.
Wow.
Good boy always, Kuya. Love Mama Apple and Kuya Chubby. And stay very responsible gihapon. And we are always praying for you. May God always guide you with your decisions, especially nga 18 na ka, legal age na. So, may God continue to guide you always. We love you. Love you.
Hello, Kuya Matt. Happy birthday. Sorry sa akong late greetings. Wala ko naka-follow sa schedule sa calendar. Happy birthday! Unta malipayon ka din ha with Ate Apple and Kuya Chubbs and pamati always ni Mama Apps, Kuya Matt. I love you. Happy birthday! Ngun among latte.
Birthday, Kuya Matt!
Happy birthday, Kuya Matt! Oh, you sing happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Dance, BBC!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kuya Matt!
Happy birthday, Kuya Matt!
Happy birthday, Kuya Matt.
We can be
Happy birthday to come.
We can't all be you guys.
Enjoy
That's
your
not true.
birthday.
What's inside of me?
Hi! Happy birthday, Kuya Matmat! Ulitaw na kaayo ka, Kuya Mat, kay 18 na. Enjoy your day and I know happy na ka kaya nag-uba na mo diya sa imong Mama Apple. And keep safe always. Miss you. Just remember us.
Happy birthday, Kuya Matt. I love you.
Happy birthday na yun, Kuya Mat.
Happy birthday, Kuya Matt!
Great, happy birthday, Mat. Happy birthday, Mat. No. Bye.
Birthday, Kuya Matmat!
Ikaw, happy birthday, Kuya Matmat. Happy birthday, Kuya Matmat. Ikaw.
Matmat!
Happy birthday, Kuya Matmat. Ikaw.
Happy birthday, Kuya Matmat! Happy birthday, Kuya Matmat! I do want to
Hi, Kuya Matt. Happy birthday. 18. Oh my God. 18. It has just been, I don't know how many years ago I was carrying you. Well, barely carrying you because you were so heavy back then. But, oh my God. Happy 18th birthday, Kuya Matt. God bless you. Make sure to always stay safe. Love your brother and your Mama Apple. Make sure to love and protect them both. Be the man you always want to be. Happy birthday. And someone else wants to say happy birthday too.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Matt. Love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Matt. Always stay positive, Kuya. Don't be afraid to dream big. With God, all things are possible. We miss and love you, Kuya Matt. Amping mo din ha, Permi.
Happy birthday, Kuya Matt. I love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Matt. Ang advice ni Dio is dream big and pray for it. It will surely come. Just pray. Everything will happen. Nothing is impossible. Happy birthday. See you.